Hello, well, near my house is this very nice horse chestnut tree, but unfortunately it had got rotted in the centre, and in this little video clip I'm showing it being cut down. A little bit for the history books. And it's amazing how when you see the tree surgeons at work, they actually get the sort of main tree down really quickly. As with any job, it's the tidying and the clearing up that takes quite a long time. But I do admire the way these people work with the chainsaws and get the tree cut down. You can see actually that sadly it is quite rotted inside. It's black holes going right up it. So it had to be taken down really for safety reasons. They have now replaced it with another young sapling, so hopefully we'll see another one grow up as time goes by. You have to say these people are working very hard. It was on a Saturday morning, so I think they're probably keen to get off back home, but they're certainly not having lots of tea breaks or anything. They're keeping hard at it. There you are though, just thought I'd share that one. So there you are, bye bye.